I have a strong commitment to what I do at Appetito, and I truly believe that what we do as part of a team makes a real difference to the lives of residents, and I will do everything I can to try and bring some enjoyment to people's lives where food is sometimes hard to either to consume or it's hard for people to enjoy well. And I really feel that, you know, that ethos of kind of wanting to go the extra mile really truly runs through our whole team, and I'm not alone on that.
We looked at 3 providers, Appetito being one of them, and out of the 3 that we looked at, Appetito was the best. Appetito employees came in from different backgrounds and kind of like just picked us up and dragged us along, because as the changeover happens, you have to feed these patients. So without that support, it would definitely not have happened. The support then continued. They didn't just go home, didn't come back the next day. They did come back the next day. And it was really difficult, but without that support, it wouldn't have been as smooth.
How Appetito helped us in cost reduction was mainly looking at the labour model and how we could influence that and reduce the time taken from our catering. So the money saved have enabled us to look at other areas in our facilities which we can improve upon, namely putting more care staff onto the floor for engagement with residents, and then more fabric changes within their homes. Without doubt, we've seen the improvements in the efficiencies. We're running very much more lean with an awful lot better quality and a lot more enhancement for the residents and staff in the homes.
Appetito have been, for the charity, absolutely amazing. It's particularly special to know that we've got a relationship with the community we serve, and the people that work at Appetito are our community. To have somebody like Appetito financially supporting us just helps us stay alive.